let's talk about the Creature C Monstropus dildo. This is the Monstropus dildo itself. A very unique design and very fantasy based. Similar to those types of animals with tentacles, it features tentacles on two sides leading up to the tip just there. It features a fun yellow and green colour and is suitable for both vaginal and anal use. We'd recommend this for a more advanced and expert use because of its shape and size. It also features stimulating textures of ribs, and of course you can see the small suction tentacle cups there as well. You can use this in combination with a strap-on harness, and it has a strong suction cup as well, so you can place it on any flat smooth surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation. The shaft is firm yet flexible, and the material is super soft when you touch as well. When using the Monstropus dildo, we'd highly recommend to use it in combination with a water-based lubricant. Make sure to clean after every use using toy cleaner and lukewarm water. For more information on the Creature C Monstropus dildo, you can head over to our website. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.